Limpopo baremin noma ngiphuma la neFosto baremin mase ngidlula ngemakhado.
Sanibonani babukeli, igama lami uKarabo Selepe la ngithi ke ngwanyana ole wa ditaba, and of course I am not alone, ke tsamaya le
Salty.
Mr. Salty.
Good today.
Yeah, ke tsamaya le Mr. Salty. Phela kumele uzintroduce ngithi. Yes.
Yeah, but ke kwatlelela studio. Malome. Anyway, sanibonani, dumelang abusheni. Hello, this is me, your man DJ Salty. Welcome to Busy Corner Podcast. Ke nako e latswana. Mo le moteng, tima phone, tima whatever. If you're coming back from work, maoto abiye, then relaxa o mamele rena. Nna le wena le medeme ka mo, Mrs. Ke Miss, nna ke bitsa
Miss.
Oh,
Miss, yes, Miss.
Ke Miss, asi Mrs.
Angishadanga, akuna ring.
Akishona. Akisho.
Akuna ring.
Yeah, phela uyashada khona ukuthi ushade. And then inkomo, I mean, inkomo and so on.
Ngizoshada, angashada.
So, ke rutse le Oscar Rabo mo, ke Miss Heritage. As you know, Miss Heritage.
The
Anyways,
former.
The former. What happened?
Bangititronile.
Akukhonakala ukuthi bakutithrone.
Yeah,
All of a sudden. Yeah.
Yeah, ngithi phela into eyenzakalayo.
Phela.
Some expose ngithi so ngoba phela mina ngithi ukuthi ngile ngam expose ukuthi akasibhatalanga. So I be like, girl angikufuni.
So where is the crown?
Ikhona akayitholi. Angeke.
Manje, how do you say you've been dethroned?
Ungititronile.
Kanjani?
Kahle, bekumele ukuthi ngibuyisela ama crown ngathi ngeke ungakangibhadala ngabuyela.
Yeah, so ethengisa le crown. Uyahlala. But how can he just dethrone you? Which ukuthi kahle.
Uyangisaba kahle.
No, le pageant le uyithathe as into esendlini kahle ne. It's something like ke ntwe lo reng wa yetsa ko ntlong like magezwa mele kugezwe makulala mele kulala. It's how it works.
Yeah.
So Unocho, he said it to everyone who knows you as Miss Heritage.
I gotta keep none official statement. Mara like ayikinte bangikhiphe groupini. Angisivanga ithombe. No contract. So basically vele like ngitithrone.
No, but besides that, there was no contract signed, right? Yeah, so ukutithrona kanjani? Sayithatha lento leswethengisa.
So ethengisa vela
ikuthola. Mela guy 15,000 yakho. Mela guy 15,000 yakho. Anyways guys, ke Karabo Selepe, one of the best also modelang or more right. Let's say soon to be Miss South Africa alone, but well, now I would say Miss Heritage. The last time she was the finalist, yeah, Heritage South Africa. She won it. It shows her ke motho lo reng o serious ka ntho ya hae.
Yes.
So ke Karabo Selepe, my presenter, colleague yaka, everything yaka motho lo reng ke phela le ena. Nna le wena re lemo re tonne ntse re ditaba tsa batho. Ntse re hleba ditaba tsa batho tlebe ke na le ena Karabo. And re na le also mongwe you know her very much, ha so be teng lately since a Jackie December, since I ile
we are December.
Yeah, what December ke Poppy ha so be teng. But anyways, sit back, relax, enjoy this episode 24/7. Salty le Oscar Rabo bana le lona, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit
the notification bell.
The notification ting. Or ditaba e dithoma wa nyewa. Remember guys. So mzali
ke re kena le ditaba. The Limpopo girl and the Rich B. Did you hear about it? Yo, I'm not very indaba vela zindlu.
Rich B konje mang. Rich B the podcast guy. Richie B.
Yeah. The Richie B. Lo simaziyo vele sonke.
Itlaletso wena.
Phela ugirl makabeka istatement sakhe uthi Richie B umdlise ama edibles. Isithi tsendani ndibhaje usho kanjani?
They say actually what transpired, what happened, where the story stala and like
ugirl makasho uthi bekane interview no Rich B. Okay.
Who's Limpopo girl lo ojivayo vele?
Yeah, lo simaziyo vele.
No Slender Limpopo girl.
Yeah. Catalog that
one. Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. So ugirl bekane interview no Richie B. Richie B wathi no ashoot Sunday wathi girl no Sunday mina ngeke ngizongishoot ngiye esontweni ashoot Saturday. Yes, bahlangana eLimpopo Mall.
Okay.
Yes, bahlangana halfway eLimpopo Mall. And then azange baze bafike lapho bemele senze interview khona.
Oh.
Yes, because kunento ezenzakalile apparently. Richie B bekaphethe amaswiti emotweni. Yes. Diswiti tsa dipatshi.
Then
The edibles.
The edible, ke di gummy something.
I
Yeah.
don't know. Nami ngikolobeditswe njengayo. Yeah, uthi ukolobeditswe yena.
Alright.
Futhi akadle dipatshi, akatsubi dipatshi.
We don't know. We don't know. Baphela ntse ba tjho, so who said awungitshele, is there any criminal who has been arrested before and then go court abuye are
Mina ngiyicriminal.
criminal and say yeah, I'm guilty? Never. They always say no, I didn't do it.
Mara ngithi mina vele ngiyasho ukuthi mina nami ngifana naye ngikolobeditswe nami.
Mang.
Me.
Mang. Sorry. Hi.
Hi.
Wena.
Ngicela nimtsheleni ukuthi ngikolobeditswe.
Ukolobeditswe kahle.
What sisi?
Hayi, wenza itsing haba ukolobetsa wenza itsing.
Bangithela ngamanzi ukuthi like sengiphathe member.
Bathini. Owa ipatch yakho.
Ngihambe ngifake ipatch.
Mina ufake ipatch, mawukolobeditswe ufake ipatch.
Barugele nakayifakanga nje ngoba athi ukolobeditswe. Bengafanga ipatch kuma video wakhe. Nangathi sayohlangana no Richie B.
Also nawe ufana naye.
Nami ngiyifihlile.
Uyayifihla nawe. Anikolobetswanga. Hayi ni double pile. Okay, yeah. So
yeah. So Richie B ugel makasho ukuthi Richie B umupha amaswiti. Geli aqeda wathatha iswiti eli-1 bekahamba nosisi wakhe makasho. Yes, wapha usisi wakhe iswiti eli-1 and then iswiti azangazalile walibeka okotweni.
Ugel. Okay.
Richie B uthi ugel uRichie B makambuza uthi hayibo why ungadli iswiti athi hayi ngizolidla mangiceda ukudla. And then wacabanga wathi no man ngoba umuntu ungi-offerele something uthi ngiyidle. Walidla iswiti. Angazi uthi bayehla baya kuphi. Mabafika lapho ugel wafika izinyawo zakhe zisinda. Guys niba high nibata ngenye indlela. Uthi inyawo zakhe wazenza ukuthi ziyasinda and then wacela ifoni ku Richie B ukuthi ucela ufone mama yakhe ngoba akekho right. Richie B wathena akana airtime. Ugel wayehla emotweni. Wahamba ngeenyawo. Lele phangazi. Mina ngizo lapho sekathi khona ubaba ekhuthe uRichie B uNkulunkulu uzombona.
Kanjani? So bekata yena kahle kahle.
Yeah, obvious manje ama edibles vela azokubeka ku Cloud9.
Mara she took them was.
Yes, ugel uthi yena uRichie B umnikile. uRichie B uthi no, ugelele wasithathela wathatha 2 book na i3 ebhokotweni.
So ubaba kaGel. Magathi kuRichie B uzobona uNkulunkulu. It's when what's happening. Ugel went to
yeah, so kuthi ugel ubatshelile endlini ukuthi kenzakaleni. Babakhe wayenza
video. Do you have it?
No, I don't have it. Kunini ngiyifuna? Yo, angizithanda indaba ezihafu. Angizithanda indaba ezihafu.
So now I want to understand. So ubaba kaGel uthi uRichie B because of ugel udla amaswiti.
Ugela ngithi obvious uthi kuba bakhe uRichie B uyobulisa amaswiti. Akashongo ukuthi uyosithathela. Ngoba uRichie B uthi ugela uyosithathela.
Okay.
Sabona ukuthi nje itori ezithu nje
ezingahlangani kahle kahle. Nami I don't understand because in the morning it's fine. I heard the story, ne? So I heard Isaac Laga Richie B. I like for Isaac Laga local angilzwanga. That's when you told me now. Richie B was saying, okay, he wanted to tell his side of his story. He's saying they were traveling Nalentombozana, Limpopo girl, and Lentombozana want umuntu ama content, you know. So Richie B always wanted to ask, okay, no, we saw you no Tsaka. You know Tsaka?
Angimazi ngegama.
Amazi uTsaka?
Angimazi.
Lo munye ohlanya makacha Tsaka. No? You see uyamazi, you know.
Guys kusingumuntu we social media.
No man, there's this guy who was always fighting Shebeshe. The dark one.
Oh, we lo.
Lo thanda ukuthukana athi wena Shebeshe, like uthuka is swearing to everyone. Haven't you seen his videos?
Mina ngabona everyone.
Wow.
Yo.
What you don't know Tsaka.
And then umuntu Richie B lapha ugelwele wayenza video no Tsaka.
Yeah, so that's how I heard Richie B. Richie B said this girl came. Oh yeah, he wanted to ask girl interview. He invited the girl. Yeah, he invited the girl to an interview. But I want to know what's happening because I saw your video. No, Tsaka. So I want to understand. But what? No, it's fine due to the content. No, it's fade.
Our followers.
So that's what Rich B saying. So it's fine. Rich B, I give it. Oh, then Rich B said, no, let's meet in the mall. That's how, like, Namina, in the morning today, I was listening to Rich B. And yesterday, it was a notification. I went, like, what Rich B is saying? What? So, now, Rich B says, no, okay, allowed to take a shop content. Then they met in Polokwane, somewhere in the shops. Then Rich B bought, he had the sweets.
The edibles.
The sweets are the sweets are this all. I understand. So he had the sweets are this all. After, now, the girl came with the cousin. Understand? The cousin said, oh, Rich B went to, they greeted each other. Hi, Ujwang. No, sharp, I'm okay. What, a long time. No, sure, it's fine. So we're going. Girl said, no, okay, ready, but I couldn't come alone because I was not feeling safe. Like, mark that statement. That's what Rich B.
Safe.
I was not feeling
safe.
It's fine. So I came with my cousin. Rich B was like, no, it's fine. No, chill. Then they went into the car. Rich B said no, because he ate earlier on. He asked the question, did you guys eat? Yeah, then girl says, no, I also. Rich B said, what can I buy for you? And then the lady said, no, Hama something. Hama something. You know, this lady who sells the food on the street.
Those
and stuff.
Nice food.
Those
Skopo, what?
Yes. You understand? So now they went there, they bought 2 plates. One for meat, and then Malana Mautwana. You know, he went into full detail. I was listening to it. So Malana Mautwana, they were eating. When they're done eating, now it's time for them to go shoot. So there was someone who said, there was someone who was supposed to be interviewed also on the same day. Understand? There were 2 people. Is this girl Limpopo girl and the other one? So Baya. Oh no, Rich B told this lady. So ladies, no man, there's a person is from Polokwane. Yeah, I think deep in Limpopo. No, Tansi, we have to meet him. Mokoning so. Can we please go wait for that guy while at sharp? Rich B says, can I buy you something? He offered.
Yeah, and then Barino,
they don't drink alcohol. Wara. Bakolobedit.
And then in Kolobedit.
So now, sharp girl says, no, great. Sharp, fine, we don't drink. Rich B says, okay, sharp, Coke. Mix, okay, sharp, okay, nakenali, this.
I have this sweet. And
then Rich B said, as I heard Rich B's statement, I think, guys, you should also comment on this. What happened? What transpired? Okay, it's fine. So now, Rich B said, she took the package. She started reading it. Obviously, the gummy bear thing. Inali, there's, Zol, obviously. He's Zol. Now the cousin said, oh, get my sweetie. You understand? No, it's fine. No, it's not a problem. So now if the cousin knows the sweets, meaning
now we are
Limzala, but because Umzala begahlele phambili, front seat, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, so, front seat.
Yeah, she's the one who was reading the sweets. Then they took one.
No, but we write 3.
You understand? They took one. Obviously, she read it. Is all. Umzala, ukazini. Uyawazi. Fine. There they go.
Guys,
there they go. Bayofika bame lapho, mabafika lapho. I think the girl started reacting somehow.
Yeah, kulapha athi uzinyawo zasinda.
Okay, have you ever tried them before?
No.
Nana, be honest.
No.
Shaban.
Ngikolobelitse.
Have you ever tried?
Ngingazama iganja.
Yeah, that's one thing.
Not igamizi phela iganja, muffin. Yeah, no, nayo ingithathile yangibeka le njengoba ke la ngithatha
muffin space cookie. Yeah, but I get it's wheat inside.
Yeah,
so actually the taste of wheat.
Bengazwakali. Angifuni because like bengicala shem bengazwakali. Enough about me.
No, I'm asking. I see. What happened? How your nails sorry?
Mina shem ngihlezi ngihyper so bengazazi ukuthi bokuyimi or maybe bokuyima ka bengihyper nakhona.
What was happening?
Ngibona into zami because bengidla amaningi.
So
and ngicabanga ubuye esikoleni ngifaka iblazer yashisa.
Nama.
Yazi uniform esasana black neblazer black.
And all black, man. I can imagine.
Nami ngi black ngapha.
Tight.
Amehla red.
So what were you feeling like, Carolina? I remember I used to smoke weed, back go high school. So now I would be high, you feel okay. Yeah. So you feeling that way?
It was the first and last time. Bengicala bengigcina Nkosi yami.
Right? Give baba ukolobethu. So
ngikoloberithu.
I know it's fine after smoking that. Yeah, but it's not ayisalizolo anyways. So now fine, Rich B is saying Rich B allegedly. Understand? Guys, it's alleged because I was in there.
Yeah.
I'm Kikibua, the same story. Whoever didn't hear Rich B's story, now I'm saying it clearly. I listened to Rich B's story three or four times. Understand? Now they drove on their way going to the corner to go wait for that boy who's coming. I want to go shoot Leah. So here's the story. Oh, this girl started feeling somehow. You understand? Our Rich B man, Ada. Understand? Ada. Only jail. Understand? It's fine. Now, what the friend Kamumurao, she's behaving so well. The cousin, it's fine. Why am I? How girl now doing?
Uthe inyawo ziyasinda mos.
Oh, girl uthe inyawo ziyasinda.
Senutala ukuze inyawo ziyasinda.
Besathayi besizimshayile. Mase ayano kaphi.
Yena ngcono uzinyawo. Mina bengizizandla.
Ngathi ngiyabona nale blazer le. Iyasinda 2:00 uya esikolweni.
Hayi 2-3.
Ushisa. Ugcokile le blazer.
And bengezwa nix. Yo.
Kanti how many space cookies you had?
2. Phela bengicala ngithi 2. Yeah, yo. Ngiyafila into boyfila.
So, fine. Here goes. So, now, okay, why are you going to I'm not going to dispute my God. Oh, girl, didn't girl. Hey, you could pay a phone. Yeah, I need to call my mom. Rich B is like, what do you mean? I know, I need to call my mom. Oh, no markets. No, I don't have airtime. So now this guy, markets, because this guy never, when you're high, when you're with friends, when you're feeling high, when you feel very, when that feeling starts, you tell your friends, oh, my friend, something. So she never told Rich B anything. Rich B markets, it up and down.
It was her first time, Shem.
Lina sure it wasn't the first. When it's the first time.
Yeah.
Okay, it's fine. But the cousin is not the first.
Cousin.
It's so amazing because when Richie B talking, all I know the girl. Right. Okay. They're not saying anything about that girl. Mzala, airtime. Okay, sure. Ubiza uyavaya. Yabo? Makavaya so kuthiwe No, uyabuza is asking ukuthi kanti kwenzakalani yabo? Girl, yabo? Girl dololo. Wabona? Girl ubitsa chomi. Asambe. Wabona? Chomi watswa wajika. Waya. Chomi haya wajika wafitla da. And then wetsala babua. Rishbi umakhetso.
Kwenzakalani?
Kwenzakalani la. Yabona? Sharp. Dololo. Tu. Wabo? Highly tu. Hi. Anataba. You know, if you see, if you don't know what's happening, I mean, nothing will hurt you, nothing will worry you. Understand? If you see how oh, they are walking away. Like they're going back to where babuya khona. Bavaya. Angel Rich B is asking himself, what's going on? What's going on? That's Rich B, guys. Allegedly, Rich B is saying that. So, what's happening? I told her, Rich B. I told her, now one of those people are serious now. Rich B is saying that, guys. Asim, Wavaya, he started sending the other guy a message, or the other lady. Hi, how's it? What's happening? That one is never saying anything. Rich B, Uari to start a koloi. He follows them. When he follows them, no, hey ladies, manje, and they are walking the other side of the street. Like, hey ladies, manje.
Okay, uthi yena bekune bridge lapho bebakhona. Ama voice athi jumper phansi. Ngizwe kanjani ukuthi uyele uthi yena bekase bridgeini. Ama voice athi hey wena girl tutu zwise. Oh. Into engizwile leyo.
Akithi mina die. He was tired.
Yeah, bekase space inside.
That was I think maybe he was high, but Rich B saying they were walking the other side. So now he's busy calling them. Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Dolol. Hey, Lintal. Yeah, ladies. And then now he feels sorry. It's a problem now. People will just look at him somehow. He's following them. I understand. Then people will think, kidnap and so on. And then he decided, na Erike. So that's what transpired. Then he thought, oh, maybe they don't want to shoot anymore.
They're
not saying anything, Mara. The cousin was supposed to say something to Rich B and say, no, I get Koshap, we'll talk.
But maybe we communicate.
Now I think so. Now here's a story. I heard Rich B saying, the father was saying they said you wanted to drag them and so on.
Yeah.
Mara, how can guys, let's be honest. This is not alleged. This is what I'm saying. You understand? Let's put a statement in front of everyone's eyes. If you were about to drag a person, when you drag a person, it's when you're doing something bad to a person. When you drag, let me say drag, it's hiding. Understand?
Yeah, it's obviously
it's when you hide some, like we am drag, like you don't want the person to see. You understand? And now Rich B's statement is saying, basta terrible.
And ufundi look at plastic
plastic and then the other gummy bear, white tata waipa, the friend, she took it out herself. Understand? So I don't believe Uguti. I mean, okay, Sharp, can I ask you a question? How do you drag a person in a suite? I'm pegile so faka. It's like I understand. And now she wouldn't even allow Ugudla. Even the cousin. I mean, If you drag a person, it's when you hide something. If you pour something to a drink, umuntu angakuboni. To pour, understand? Umuntu angakuboni. Azithathele yena ayidle besathi bathi umdrekile.
Kahle kahle kumele sithole nestory sekhazini. Uye kumele asitshele ukuthi kwenzakaleni.
Nami I don't believe i Limpopo girl story.
I think my cousin mangakhuluma.
Why the cousin statement? Why the cousin?
Where is the cousin statement?
Because I heard the statement. They say that in where is the cousin? Cousin yena naye bathi udlile isweet. What is she saying? What was the statement?
Kahle kahle kumele sithole nje indaba yekhazini.
What was the statement? And how can you drag someone? We want udraga lo ufuna ukum-interviewer lo akhona kubhekile.
And bawadla boyithu.
Badla boyithu lo kubhekile.
Lo uhayi udlula lo munye.
Lo munye uhayi akayenzi nix. Uyavuma ukuthi amdrag. And then okay, uyi-1 uRich B, there are 2. What was going to happen? Lo angithi uthi uyawazi lama sweet.
Obvious.
She's used to those sweets, right? And then what's going to happen if one gets drugged and then this one is used to those sweets?
Right, Lena.
And then
akasindwa amateki.
Right, akasindwa amateki. She's used to them, as Richie B is saying, allegedly. So I don't understand. I mean, put your facts straight, guys. Limpopo girl, mina na mfana, I don't buy your story.
Mina funa story sekhazini.
I don't buy. The cousin is quiet. Why is the cousin not saying anything?
Kumele ukuthi naye asitshele ukuthi kenzani because uyu umuntu uzothini uyu umuntu wazi izitori zoyithu.
The cousin won't say because cousin uyazi ukuthi they are there for a content. The cousin ran after.
Ugel.
Bama, they spoke and then they turned their back. Batsamaya. Mara, cousin udlile le sweet. She also ate the sweet. But bafuna content. The statement, like it for me, it doesn't make sense. It doesn't. Now the father saying, yeah, ini or Richie B saying the father said, Bazali, watch out. There are people who are dragging people with those sweets. Those sweets are sold everywhere, Matala. Richie, aku emeleli. I heard your story. If I was a lawyer, mfana was going to sharp. I got caught. Because it doesn't make sense. The girl said Richie B asked her, Uguti, why are you keeping your sweet inside your pocket?
Yeah, why ungali? And then Keloba like, ngobo yang offering zoyila, ufile page.
And then what? Okay, and then everything happens next to the cousin. Then what is the cousin saying? What is the cousin saying? Because already the cousin has ate the sweet. The cousin was supposed to stop her and say, later that time. So it doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. Keep content. Let me tell you the truth. Tsaka ke na rometseng Limpopo ke le hore atlo tsa content ka wena nna ke a o botsa ke tsaka la ka nroa ke na taba le ena mara ke tsaka. I'm definitely sure this is what they spoke about odikubong akere they had whatever, we don't know, but this is what they spoke about. Man, plus I think Tsaka doesn't like anyone. You don't know Tsaka.
I don't know Tsaka.
Now Nati, if he sees maybe this video, Rankha. Rankha. Van Rich B, Tsaka over roommates. I'm telling you, my guy. Tsaka. Because now, if you hear the statement, Rich B or the Limpopo girl ran to this one, they had a moment, yeah. They spoke. Show me hi, man. Skawara contact, the content. We're not going back anyway. So, that's how I feel it happened. You understand? Because they were supposed to come back to Rich B. Or the lady come back to Rich B. Yeah, Mara, how can you drag a person phambi komunye umuntu ungadraga kanjani umngane wakho akubhekile?
I mean angeke ngize ngihambe nosisi wami kuwe maceda ngekho right so mangakutshela ukuthi angikho right.
You know why I'm saying that? You heard my first statement. I called my cousin because I'm not
safe. I'm not feeling safe.
How can you? She planned it. They planned it. How can you not feel safe, Rich B? Because Rich B it's about tomorrow podcasting. So I'm not feeling safe. This is what Rich B is saying. The girl said, I called my cousin because I'm not feeling safe.
Hi guys, nifuna kabi content mina ngizonitshela she nifuna kabi. Ngabe nisifanela nami?
Wena ujise ke boma?
Ngizidlela.
Onalmaka.
Ngiyakutshela.
Udurekile? What's going on?
Okay. Khona around.
Abu, man, it's an old thing. It's fine. Udurekile somewhere. You were having a house party. Man.
No, angiyazi ke house party injani. Nas.
Yo, amangangaka. Ukolobetsa needs.
And no, ngihamba nabangani bami. And then baba like no asizana. Baba like hey, ngathi okay, angeke ukuzokubulala uzama kayi. Nami ngasindwa izandla ke.
Nithenga esikolweni.
Khona la around.
Unama?
Yeah, suke esikoleni
ngithe. How much was it?
Back then it was 5 rand. Bengifuna grade 9 2019.
Choo. Now sharp. And then again, I'm going to what happened?
Ngalala. Ngalala. Bengafuni bangibone.
For how many hours?
Angazi. Ngikhathele.
What time you woke up?
Yo, Nkosiyami. And like langa lokhona belishisa. Makabe ngingalizwa. Ngilizwe sengivuka ukuthi no man, kuyashisa.
And then ukawula like you never ate too much because iyabayenza vele.
Iyalambisa yona. Iyalamba. Ngazi. Ngifunde lapho ukuthi ngiyakwazi ukudla kakhulu.
So from there you said I'm never.
Ngisho ngathi no. Elingani ngamle.
Yeah, it's on the space cookies. I can ready the space cookies. Anana in shop and na nine peta ke I would eat ne kuntu. I would eat ekisha. Oh no, I would bona guys. I would come from the street ne. Come back to the house again, and now you know the parents are here. My mother is here, and then it's that time their family. Time to eat. And you know, when you grow up, it's 8 o'clock. Now when I grow up, like my mom, 8 o'clock used to, it's dinner time. Everyone must be on the table. No one outside, even my father, no one. Everyone must be on the table. Understand? So I know, Chinese eyes, like, yeah, so guess what I did?
What did you do?
I got to jumpisa already kilela molal duty. Dijo tsa o kitse mo itla tsona. Now we thought or tloba late now nka sebe late. I took a spoon.
I took
a spoon. I remember no, a fork. We're eating like spaghetti and cheese and mince what. I took a spoon, mfana. I took a spoon. Akpatlo champisa, remember? And I'm like, I want to do things perfectly.
Mara nawe baba bakubonile ngespoon.
Mamela ngithatha ispoon ngihlala phansi. Yabona ngiyacoca ngifuna uphusha umcoco as normal as I can, like the way siphusha umcoco ngakhona. Hey old lady hey what hey thangichabi. And then wena nine gawula guy eish I lenchebe lo lady eish ke lebetse hey ha o lebala dijo nka fork fine mfana ka batlana le dijo yo ko kitchen yo
and I feel like maybe ukudla kula phambi kwami.
No, I went back to the kitchen ne? I looked for my plate baba
and it was in the microwave maybe.
Mona I looked when I looked for my plate for like 35 minutes. So there's this thing coming in my head. Oh, die. emona utai wabona utai come back batlo jump and bayaja batho ba and then wena
Unikhathi.
yabula the rack I'm opening everywhere yo mfana yo
Ukhumuza umngane wami na mina ngababhemile. Bekazwinke esihlahleni.
yo ke batlanele dijo ne ke give up
Sokwatile ukuthola.
ufuthe ngiyolala manje what happened and I don't want to ask my parents because now I remember vele I took the food from the microwave to where I don't know
Nyamalelo.
ayengibuyele ekamreni angihlale oledly manje uthi man yabona yini wena yini yabona I'm like nah I'm not eating anymore I am ngisuthi imfana ngilambe zingihwayile ngilambe just angifuna ukujumpisa now I'm trying to think Kuthekile iplate ayiphukanga
Akuphukanga nix.
angichithanga ngita ngisihlale and you talk alone when you how you talk alone with
Nangibe ngingakhulumi ngihlele so.
angihlale so ngithi yo umuntu tayo I would sit like this and say ngitayo ngibhene too much angisafuni I sharp uthi ngiyalala sengigive up ila ngithi ngimele manje my plan is I'm waiting for my parents to sleep
And then Zambia check
so that I can go look properly for my food kahle kahle ukuthi where I put them and maybe I'll be a little bit sober that time ngizo oleda angibiza wena xam isa insani yinglo oledi and you know when you're high yabo ema oledi yabo awatomsheba I don't want to look yabona Urdi shot I digai. Hey, nuggets. I don't know where I put my. Where's your food there? Maule do the bone or the guy. Guess what?
Preaching.
Deep freeze.
I
don't know what happened with guys. I put my plate inside the deep freeze. When did that happen? I don't know.
First, no one who can
so that means that's why Ukel Begasindom. So how did I take the spoon? The spoon is toilet deep freeze or what happened?
Maybe skip it again.
I put my foot inside the deep freeze.
Imagine.
Deeper one, more than the icing one.
The icing one.
Means we say freeze. Yeah. So I sat for like 2 to 3 hours. Never knowing where's my plate. That's when Oled like, why not you buy the patch, ne? Yeah, why not you buy the patch, ne? This one tell you camera deep freeze. You've been looking for your food. Mind I don't know. I want to say something. Maybe already they were hot too much. So no, I told her no, I lied to her, no, my food were like my plate was hot, like my food, my macaroni was very hot. Wanted to cool it down. Never. You can never cool it down. And then what happened? Okay, sharp. You cooling it down. You left it. Then you went to sleep. For 3 hours later. Now the mince is frozen. That's when my mom realized I'm smoking. But that day, that was the first time. The second time, it's when I took, I bought, I mean, there was no bread at my house. That time, my mom was she went for grocery, understand? So, we were hungry, me and my sister. And my sister, she's the one who taught me how to smoke.
Sisi.
Yeah.
Sisi.
You understand? Now we're hungry. You know when you're high, you become so very, very hungry to a point where I don't know what's happening.
Yeah,
you can even eat a person. So now, sharp. My mom went for grocery. We're hungry. I'm high. We're high. Now that's the second time my mom saw Uguti. I'm smoking. It's serious. Ntoho. What do you call ntoho, Kasko? porridge. My sister made porridge ka bupi and brown one, you know.
Oh, king mabele.
Mabele. Brown. And mabele ten nale amanyane like no setse hanyane wa bona ringa re tshwarise le already maybe mo tseleng wa bona le grocery. Hange. Wa di etsa mola sister ka wa di etsa tso di etsa Aisha. Ke matriam tsia. Sharp. Those days we never had that mind abroad or we can bake anything maybe, but flour was there. So porridge and the brown porridge. Why it's my sister? Why? And we are busy laughing. You would laugh, yeah.
Nice, it's fun.
Shebe mabele. So you I don't understand how wheat is. You just look at something and then you start and you laugh. Yeah, bona maybe ants are swimming inside the juice or something, and you can, and that ant is talking to you. Something like that. So now, fine, sharp, on a flop. It's about time now. Now we go sit on the table. My mother enters. I want to get hey, kukama plastic.
Kukama plastic.
No. Okay, now we leave our bowls on top of the table. Going to help Mama Mola from the car to.
Were you able to help?
Yeah, and energy. Yeah, how you energy velonyo, how you become energetic. I gimola titi. Now, fine. Already, we can never pour away them. Our mother is here. Can never pour away those
food.
Waste that porridge. Let's just eat small. No, Bambi said was small place. Let's just enjoy Bambi and then sing nama cheese. All ladies and nama cheese. Now here it's time for me. You know when you eat porridge, when we eat porridge, guys, we pour sugar. Get it when do you pour sugar?
How Mara?
I'm asking. I get maybe you are
but I'm not a fan of porridge.
You are a white woman stuck in a black man's skin, black woman's skin.
No.
Okay.
Sure. But I don't eat porridge.
Sharp. What? That's what I'm saying. My mom is sitting. My mom used to smoke. She's tired now. We were just watching Cartoon Network, you know? Yeah, that was Cartoon Network. Ed and Eddie, me and my sister. So she's sitting there. I want to light her a cigarette. Now, you know, then we want to eat faster, that small nyana porridge. And we tell her that, I was hungry, it's just in porridge is small. Says, my kids, no, eat faster that thing. And then there's bread, there's bologna,
there's cheese,
there's whatever. Go swim inside that cruiser.
Okay.
Yeah. Now, that's when my mother saw me again. That's when she said, yeah, now you're smoking.
And then like in shock, what you are paying, man.
My sister went to the kitchen. She took the bowl. We used to pour sugar inside the bowl, salt inside the bowl, what inside the bowl. Same bowls, but you know this is sugar, this is. My sister came with salt.
Like salt? In a mtogo.
In a mtogo. Come on. I'll tell you.
Mara, you enjoyed it?
No, I didn't. I vomited in front of my mother. Hey, I vomited. First spoon. You. And you know, when you pour sugar inside them dog, you pour enough sugar, obviously. You understand? I pour the way I pour sugar, it's how I pour.
And you pour that salt.
The salt. A lot. First. I vomited.
I
vomited on top of my mom's legs. That's when my mother slept. That's when
sorry about that.
That's when my mother slapped me, and she told me that I'm smoking. Like, no, sorry. Like, I'm smoking. I was like, no, sorry. So that's like, no, you're smoking weed. I'll call your father. What? I'm sorry. And she really called my mother because my father. And then I wasn't.
Because you know, parents or mother.
My father. You, my father.
You were strict.
The Zulu man. You.
Hi, bomb. Una livo shaka Zulu.
So, anyways, guys, that was the whole story about me. At least I told my story. I don't know about you.
No, I did. That was it. First and last time.
You never smoked anymore.
Ise. Angazwaya ngangithembi.
Auntie, we don't know.
Guys.
Tell us what you say. Anyways, guys, from me to you, Salty Bona, busy corner, Opiarma,
Bona bo bzz.
bzz. That was the story about me, Kautuba Zolo, and I can say the story sa Limpopo girl. Limpopo girl, you need to come out clear, my mother. I mean, my sister. Hey, Umagoko. My
You
sister.
also need to find out the story sa cousin ya how.
No, she doesn't have to find out the story. She knows. Yeah, nale cousin yayo. Le plan ne ing. Don't lie. Uska singa le bitola Rich B. Just say it. You never knew what Rich B would offer you with things. I don't know, but
It didn't offer.
don't lie,
You just
Mantwela.
took them.
Yeah, Mantwela content so you are lying. We know what we are doing. We know what we do. You know that. You are always on social media. She's always on social media.
Yeah.
She's always.
I
How
saw
can
that
she know? Yeah, how can she doesn't know the gummy
The-
bear
the-
or
the-
king?
the
Baji. You are lying. And
And it's not like your friends don't know the edibles.
Buddy, what is
Why would you not get Because in my squad, I'm the only one who could be
only one. How? Anyways, guys, this is me, your man Salty, Busy Corner, Oskalebala. Like, subscribe, and hit
the notification bell.
the notification bell. Na le auskarabo. You're not like Puella. Nakere sharp.
Okay, guys, now sesifikile emaphethelweni our episode. Episode what? I don't even know, but
7.
hey, yeah, episode 7.
Yeah, Busy
Yimi
Corner.
uthanda ukungihlekisa. Musmile, guys, by the way. Anyways,
Ukolobe dithu.
ngenza kanje ngama-Sundays esontweni. Anyways, guys, igama lami uKarabo Silebe. Girl umkhosi, ngitsana umkhosi.
Kemugozizi, kemuthwalitaba.
Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell.
Uska ba tlo feta ke ditaba tse monate tsala.
Lokhona
From mna
mina.
to you. O tla le bona.
Mina mangiklopa vele kumoshakala ukuthi ngiflope kan khonakala intombi ngithanda ngathi ngifaka ikorobela egiyane bathi sanjolobe fonela usisrita siyabangena yonke into is good is nice show my fair singene sishirho eCastle kaMalema eChakuma bathi sikhuphu siyakhahlela ngibona uswidi ngithi nja how are you nama mithe phala phala